Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Mobile Foodies. In today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you on how to make a delicious Chinese cuisine. It's called pan noodle cake. So I'm going to use Indomie chicken flavor. I'm going to use 2 packs. This is my carrot, my tomato. I have spring onions, 3 eggs, 1 green pepper. Then this is my oil. I'm going to use pepper too, red pepper or pigmento, salt. I'm not going to use any seasoning cube. So this recipe does not include seasoning cube. So I'm going to boil my water now. You will see how I'm going to make or cook the noodles. My vegetables are ready. So I'm going to cook the noodles now. Come on, let's go to the kitchen. So I'm going to cook the noodles now. My water is on heat. It's boiling. I just lower it, but I'm going to increase the heat now. So I'm adding the Indomie sauce. It has pepper and the white sauce. Then I'll stir it. I'll add the noodles. It will absorb water on its own, or you can break it. Don't pieces it, just break it this way. I don't want to add additional water. The water will be okay. When the water absorbs the noodles, this one is ready-made noodles. I'm not making this one. It comes this way. You can see the pack. These Nigerian noodles. It has started absorbing water. Then I'll leave it to boil until it's soft. My noodles is still boiling, it's still cooking, but it's not fully cooked. So I'll place a saucepan on fire. I want to make my egg sauce. So I'm adding 1 cooking spoon of oil for the egg sauce. I will lower my heat. Okay, my noodle is okay now. It's done. I've upped the heat. So that's my noodles now. I'll leave it and concentrate on the sauce. I'm adding my onion. I'll add my carrots. So I'm going to stir it. I'm adding my tomato, that's fresh tomato. I'll add my green pepper. As you can see, it's very yummy. Then I'll add my spring onion. This is my garlic and ginger paste. Ginger powder, garlic and ginger powder, not paste. Garlic and ginger powder. So I'm going to add my egg. So I'll reduce the heat. That's my egg sauce. So I'm going to make it scrambled egg. As you can see, the face of the egg is so yummy. Let me add a little salt. I'm adding a pinch of salt. I'll cook it on medium heat. I'm adding my parsley, that is parsley leaf. I'm adding oregano spice. I'm going to use turmeric, a pinch of turmeric powder. Turmeric is medicinal. My egg sauce is done now. I'm going to off the heat. So I'm going to add a little oil on the pan for me to make the noodle cake. The oil has to be hot. I'm going to fry it. As you can see, it's going to be yummy, yummy food, delicious. I wish you should try your own in the house. I'll allow it to cook for 2 minutes. Then I'll flip it over. It's still cooking. I want to flip it over. I lower my heat. Then this is how I'm going to do it. So I'm flipping it over. For the outside to cook. It has to cook for 2 minutes. This is noodle cake. My heat will be on medium heat. So it's 2 minutes now. I want to bring my noodle cake out. It's a Chinese cuisine. This is my delicious, yummy, stir-fried noodle cake. It came out so well, so beautiful. I wish you can taste it, but you're not there. It's only me that will enjoy this. So prepare it in your house. It's good for breakfast. It's good for children's lunch, breakfast, even dinner. So I'm going to cut it and put it inside my plate. I want to taste it because I'm so hungry. So I'm cutting it, the mode of cutting is like you are cutting a cake. It's so yummy. So I'm going to put it inside my plate. As you can see, came out so well. I wish you are there. This is delicious. This is yummy. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. I have a lot of recipes, national dishes, continental dishes, and intercontinental dishes. So don't waste time, because you don't know the next recipe. Very soon now I'll be entering Indian cuisine. I've not done any cuisine with Indian. So the next video is going to be Indian cuisine. So I'm going to test it. As you can see, it's so yummy. It's delicious. I wish you are here. It's so delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Don't just watch and go. Watch and stay. Bye.